care about someone.
Make sure it's nice and tight.
When a person you love is about to take a big step or try something new. When everything important is on the line. Your family, your loved ones. You make sure they're safe.
Just like we practiced.
You make sure they're protected. You just make sure. So when it's time to install a new roof on your home, the place that holds it all, choose Duration Series Shingles featuring SureNail Technology for strength and reliability you can see and feel. SureNail offers a wide, highly visible nailing area for fast, accurate, and consistent installation. Plus, you'll have the confidence of a 130-mile-per-hour wind resistance limited warranty to help protect what matters most. Make sure with SureNail.